Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the ServiceGuru Advanced Acceptance add-on for ServiceM8. Understand a little bit how it works and how we use it in practice. So this add-on is a very simple little add-on. It allows you to accomplish 2 tasks in one step, of course adding more efficiency to your processes when it comes to quoting and booking in work for your customer. So essentially what the application does, or the add-on does at least, it allows you to go ahead and run through the usual quoting process, send your customer a quote, and then have them not only accept that quote, but also book in a suitable time for them at the same time. So let's go ahead and have a look at how that works in action, and then we'll go and have a look at the settings that we can use within the system. So we have a new job over here, which is the Soft Rolls Bakery job. We go ahead and open that job up. And we want to go ahead and produce a quote and send that off to the customer. And then we want that customer to book into that job. So the process is as follows. We go and produce the quote that we have built out over here. And just following a standard format, we just add one change to the process that we're going to be doing. So over here, we've got the quote for the customer. We go and select our email option to email that out to the customer. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove the quote from the attachments. And instead, we're going to go to the email template and we're going to go to the advanced acceptance. What this will do is it will actually place a link within the email body, which allows your customer to go ahead and accept and book this quote. So it's essentially one button to fulfill 2 functions. So let's go and see what that looks like in action. So we have this quote body over here for this quote that we produced. We go ahead and click send, and that will now be sent out to your customer as a standard quote. However, when we go and have a look and see what it looks like from the client's perspective, when we open this up and we go and click on the accept and book, we notice that the acceptance page opens up. We have a copy of the quote that will display over here, and now the button says quote and book. So if we're happy and the customer's happy to go ahead, they simply click the quote and book button, and now it will bring them over to a section where they can go and select an appropriate date. And so we can go and say, let's go ahead and book that in for Monday. It will give us, now looking into the calendar, it will have a look at what date options or time options at least we have available. We're going to say 11 a.m. and we're going to say book now. And it will then give them the thank you message saying that they have successfully booked in the quote and the date and time. And if we come back and have a look at the calendar, what we'll notice, and we can actually see it over here, that the job has been converted to a work order as per usual. But we've also got the job booked into the diary. And in this instance, it's been scheduled to unassigned jobs, and we configure that within the settings. So if we go and have a look at our calendar, we'll notice that that job has been accepted, and there it is on the 1st. It's been booked in at the time slot that is available. So the system actually will go and have a look and see when those available time slots are and present the customer with options that are available to you. So really nice, simple, easy to use app that allows you to do more with one click of a button. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the configuration options within this add-on. So again, we go to our add-ons tab. We navigate over to our advanced acceptance. And what you'll notice over here is that we essentially have one element that we can configure. We can decide which calendars we want to search when we carry out bookings. So we generally recommend the unassigned jobs, but you could select as many staff members as you would like. It will look for those 3 gaps, and when it finds it, it will assign that job when the customer books that in at the same time. And then we also have the link that you can add to your own email templates if you would like to use those instead of the standard one that we have applied. And clicking that link when sent to an email will take them to the job that it was created from. So really simple, easy to use add-on that we think will be loads of help.